Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Vechain crypto in the market. What change occur in the Vechain price in the last hour we see in this video. So before starting this video, please subscribe my channel and complete my 2k subscriber. A lot of people are not subscribing my channel, so kindly subscribe my channel. I need your support. Now let's see the live changes occur in the Vechain cryptocurrencies in the last 1 hour. Let's see on the screen. As you can see here, that is the live change occur in the previous last 1 hour of Vechain cryptocurrency. As you can see here, it's a good time for all Vechain holders. As you can see the graph of Vechain holders, so it's still us that the Vechain cryptocurrencies goes up. It's a uptrend time of Vechain cryptocurrencies. The Vechain price already goes up. As you can see here, the price of Vechain in the last previous hour is $0.092113 as the current price of Vechain in this period of last 1 hour. As you can see here, now the changes in the Vechain crypto is the last 1 hour is a positive 0.85% change occur in the Vechain in the last 1 hour. Your result watching now, it's a live result of Vechain crypto you are watching now. So it's clear now the current price of Vechain cryptocurrencies is $0.092113, which is goes up. As you can see here, so it is clear it's a jumping time of Vechain cryptocurrencies. So please, my suggestion as to buy a Vechain cryptocurrencies and make a good amount of money. Please share your opinion in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency market.